Epigenetics deals with mechanisms of gene expression that do not involve changes in the underlying DNA sequence. Epigenetics mechanisms include histone modifications, such as acetylation and methylation. More importantly, epigenetic aberrations have been involved in various diseases, such as cancer and neurological disorders. Therefore, small molecule epigenetic inhibitors have attracted much attention, both in chemical biology and in epigenetic therapy. We are now working on the development of epigenetic inhibitors using organic chemistry-based unique drug discovery technologies. I hope you enjoy my talk.